福上无量天尊, my dear Dao friends. I'm Daoist Liu from the the Wudang temple in Germany. Welcome to another episode of Discover Daoism. And in today's episode, we're gonna learn how to make this Pai Wei, the tablet made of paper. Yeah, we use this for offering on the altar, for the deity or for dead people. And in this episode, you're gonna learn how to fold it, how to make it, and also a little bit how to use it. So everything after the intro. 福生无量。Welcome back. Today we learn the Pai Wei, how to fold the Pai Wei, and this is usually for altar. We write the name of the deity here and we offer it on the altar, either the deity or the name of the person who dies, and this is usually made of yellow paper. Here's one I just did very quick, and it's a little bit complicated, so follow my steps and just practice it and you're gonna be able to do it. We take one sheet of paper. I use the A4 size. There can make different sizes, but it should be for practice you can use the A4 size. We fold it in half and one more time to the half, just like this. Okay, so now you need to really careful press the folds. Here we just take the edge, the corner here, flip it over. The other side too, we open it up again and fold it to the other side, so we get a kind of X shape here. This X shape is very important. It needs to be very smooth folded, so we can just flip it over later easily. We fold it again from both sides. Now we fold over this triangle shape here further down. Make sure everything is lined up here, so you have a very good triangle shape. Here now you see there's this line here, and we want to make another cross in this section, so we just do one more time folding in this angle, and we open it up. You can fold it like this and fold it into the other direction to make sure everything is lined up. So here we have now two crosses here, and if you like you can just make that a little bit more straight like this. Like this, so we have very good two shapes here, and we do this the same on the other side. Just follow this very quick one time. Like this, and there you have the two X's. Make sure they are aligned. Usually when you work in the temple or you practice in the temple, this is some daily work for those who are in charge of this kind of work. tablet is a very important knowledge. You need to know how to do it. And there you go. We have both X's here and here. Now we can open it all the way. Open up and fold both sides to the inside, just like this. Yeah, make the edges really smooth and nice. So now it's a little bit complicated, so try to follow me. We take this part here, where is the first line, flip it over like this, just like this. So you see there's a little triangle shape coming out. Here the same. Just flip it over like this. Like this. Okay. So now we open this part here and flip it over like this. So you have two triangles, tips coming out like this. Okay, here like a little Z shape kind of thing. Okay. What we do now is we flip this one back over, and the tips of the middle, just like this. Okay, one more time. You have this here and fold it over like this. Okay. So what you see now is here is the tip. This is basically the upper or downside of the Pai Wei. We do the same on the other side. I do it one more time very slowly. You just fold this line here. So you get like a little triangle coming out here, one, and the other side, two. So now you can press these lines. So what you're gonna do is now fold this over again. So you have two kind of triangle shapes like this. Okay. Smooth this out, flatten it, and then flip over this one, the first one, and then you don't take this but the inside to flip it over to the outside like this. Okay, so now you have both sides and it looks already quite good. You flip it over just upside down, make it flat a little bit. These parts here now basically is the outside part. So you see here is a little double layer kind of thing, fold it over, and this is this one here. Okay, so we fold them basically now from this corner here to the middle line. Make this really nice and smooth. Other side as well. So what you see here now is already how you would store them. This is the way how you store them. And you can make it a little bit more smooth here on the edges, just like this. So here now we have these two wings. We flip them over. As you see, this is now already this shape. We can make them nice, coming out like this. And now you have these two kind of edges here. We take the upper two corners and just pull them outside and flip them over like this. This is very important that this shape is well done. Turn it around, and now the other side as well. So if your folds look good, then it should be look like this. This is not too complicated if you already did it a few times. And now what's happening usually is you write the name of the deity or the person who died on here, and you would put two incense sticks, one here and one in this corner, and place them in the burner, incense burner. And usually what we do in a temple is that we take some tape and tape this one here or glue it, so it's gonna keep this shape. And usually the lower side, because this one here is not standing by itself, well, this is standing, yeah, but it's gonna fall, yeah, so we always fix it with the incense sticks, yeah, so you don't have it fall over or something like this. And the upper part here is usually also flipped over just like this, so you have a nicer shape of the top side. And just like this. Yeah. And this way it can be fixed with some glue here in the back, and this is how it should look. Okay, so this is a Pai Wei. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Discover Daoism. If you like our channel, please subscribe and share with your friends. If you want to learn more about Daoism, Daoist culture and practices, you're welcome to visit our website. We share the link in the description. I'm Daoist Leo from the Wudang in Germany. Fushang Wuliang Tianzun.